Today I'm sharing modern luxury living room design ideas from Arhaus and high-end home decor dupes from Walmart that'll give you a similar look for less. One of the main differences between luxury homes and the average home is in the details. Designer spaces are full of special moments that draw your eyes in and command attention. They have layers of texture, lighting, and novelty materials that make them feel special and unique. While you may not be able to afford custom furniture right now, you can add one-of-a-kind elements that'll transform your living room into a stylish and sophisticated space. And I'm going to show you how. As always, I'm saving the best for last, so make sure you watch to the end. For anyone new, I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration to make your home look like you hired a designer. If you love all things interior design, make sure you hit that bell and subscribe to the channel. I drop a new video every Sunday that I really think you'll enjoy. Links to shop, follow, and learn with me are all in the description below. There's also a blog post with all this information that you can save to Pinterest and refer back to at any time. Disclaimer, this video contains affiliate links. Now let's get started. Modern luxury isn't about filling your home with a lot of stuff. It's about being intentional and selecting quality pieces that are stylish, comfortable, and durable. Key characteristics include clean lines and minimalism, high-end materials like marble, velvet, or brass, and functional but unique furniture. Now, if you have it in your budget, by all means, shop Arhaus because they're the definition of modern luxury. Their furniture and decor are not only stylish, but of the highest quality that's made to last. That said, not everyone can afford to shop there, but believe it or not, you can still create special moments in your home from Walmart. The thing you should know about Walmart is that they're able to keep their prices low, not because of the quality, but because of the volume they buy. If you've ever bought in bulk or wholesale, you know you always get a better price. It's the same concept when you shop at Walmart. Here are 7 design ideas from Arhaus to add a touch of modern luxury to your home. 1. Color palette. One of the first things that you'll notice when you walk into Arhaus is the color palette. It's full of neutral tones like ivory, taupe, beige, and grays. These colors are the perfect backdrop for adding layers of rich accents like emerald green, deep blue, caramel, rust, or gold for depth and drama. Since your sofa is the largest and biggest investment in a living room, a neutral tone is a smart move. Remember, the average person keeps their sofa for 7 to 15 years, so it should complement the rest of your furniture and be able to stand the test of time. For help choosing the perfect sofa, watch this video. Here are 3 sofa styles from Arhaus that caught my eye and how you could get a similar look for less from Walmart. Number 1, this cuddler sofa from Arhaus, which is $6,000, but you could get a Walmart look for less for $593. Number 2, the Arhaus L-shaped sectional, which is over $10,000 on sale, but the Walmart version is super affordable at just over $1,500. Number 3, the last one, is the Arhaus Curve Sectional for $10,400, and you could get a similar look for Walmart for under $2,000. The main difference between these sofas is the scale. Luxury homes tend to have more room than the average home, so they can handle the larger size. 2, unique furniture layouts. Another thing that you'll notice at Arhaus and in luxury spaces is creative furniture layout ideas. These can be used as inspiration to make your home look expensive. This modular sectional layout is a creative way to mix up the pieces and add interest. One end has a side table between the modular pieces, while the other has an ottoman and armless piece at the end. Large sectional sofas can overpower a space, but this layout creates an open, airy feeling with the backless sections. There was also this cuddler sectional moment with multiple accent tables. The entire store was full of different ways to layer accent tables in different sizes and shapes. The table surface adds function, while the unique table arrangement adds interest. One side of the cuddler had 2 nested tables, while the other one had an accent table in a contrasting color. The trick to recreating this look is to play with scale and proportion. You want to combine tables that are similar in style but different and have no more than 2 to 3 inches of height difference. If the table heights are at the same level, you're not going to get the same look. Here's a visual of the Arhaus pieces in the store layout, which will cost you almost $9,000. And this similar look for less from Walmart, which is about about $1,500. Walmart has so many affordable, unique accent tables, which I saved to my Walmart storefront. The link is in the description below, so you should definitely check it out. There was also this pair of sectional sofas with a reeded coffee table in the center for a dramatic look. Just be aware that you need a very large space to recreate this look. Furniture showrooms are very deceiving with their high ceilings and wide open floor plans. The only way to know if you can fit something like this in your space is to measure and create a floor plan. You'll be able to try different layouts to find the best one for your living room. If you're a subscriber or have watched the channel before, you already know this. For those that are new, make sure that you download a copy of the free floor plan PDF in the description below. You'll learn how to measure and create a floor plan like a pro so that you avoid returns and order with confidence. 3. Statement pieces. Another thing you'll notice at Arhaus is it's full of statement pieces to create a moment in your interior design. This can be anything from a unique side table, coffee table, or an oversized mirror. It'll create a focal point and be a conversation starter. A pro tip is to invest in a statement piece that's bold but timeless. It should add style and function to your living room. This can be an arched bookcase that provides storage and a place to display your favorite decor and books. This bookcase from Arhaus will cost you almost $4,000, but you can get the look for less at Walmart for under $500. You can also make a statement with a pair of unique accent chairs opposite your sofa. If you still have that classic sofa and love seat combo, this is a simple way to make your living room look updated. Move your love seat into another room and replace it with stylish accent chairs. If you have the space, arrange them in a way to highlight the back details. Just adding one unique chair can make a statement and create a focal point. If you have an empty corner in your room, this is another place to create a moment and fill in the space. You can add artwork behind a tall pedestal table to display a vase or decor and a unique accent table. It'll be your new favorite spot to curl up with a good book. For smaller spaces, an armless accent chair will feel more expansive and open than one with arms. Swivel chairs are another popular style that comes in a variety of sizes, shapes, and materials. They allow you to easily turn the chair in any direction, whether it's to enjoy the view or be a part of the conversation. Both Arhaus and Walmart are full of stylish accent chairs. It just depends where you want to invest your money. For example, this open back chair can be used to create a moment in your living room, home office, or dining room. The Arhaus version is about $600 on sale, while the Walmart version that looks almost identical is $300. I also pulled a look for less of the armless chair. The Arhaus version is almost $2,300, while the Walmart chair is about $225, which is a huge difference, but you can still create that elevated look with your layout and decorating. For all things accent chairs, watch this video. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I drop a new video every Sunday that I really think you'll enjoy, so hit that bell to get a notification. Number 4. Layered lighting. Luxury living rooms always include layers of lighting. This means that there's a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. For example, your living room can have a statement chandelier, sleek floor lamp, and stylish sconces to set the mood. In my opinion, dimmer switches are a must whenever possible. You'll be able to control the brightness and set the mood any time of day. Arhaus has a wide selection of unique lighting to take your design to that next level, from dramatic chandeliers to unique table lamps and stylish floor lamps. They had ideas to add wall sconces next to artwork, a bookcase, a window, or on any empty wall that's in need of a little love and attention. My favorite way to add a touch of luxury is with a picture light over artwork. It adds accent lighting and highlights the beauty of the art. The picture lights at Arhaus cost between $300 and $500, but you can get a similar version from Walmart for between $85 and $240. For all things lighting, watch this video. Number 5, oversized accessories. Creating a luxurious look is all about the small details that compound and stack together. Accessories can make or break your design. Too many is going to look overdone, while too little will look unfinished. One way to make sure that you don't have too many is with oversized accessories. Arhaus was full of ideas and inspiration on how to style coffee tables, console tables, bookcases, and so much more. Less is more when it comes to decorating, and using a few oversized pieces in different heights, sizes, and colors is going to add interest and an elevated look. Number 6. Finishing touches. Aside from accessories, your finishing touches will add a polished look to your design. This includes everything from artwork, mirrors, pillows, throw blankets, and rugs. They'll add a cozy feeling and invite you in. It's a great place to add an accent color or pattern, especially when designing with neutrals. Watch this video for help designing a neutral space that's anything but boring. This oversized bone inlay decorative mirror and ottoman would create a moment on an empty wall or any corner in your room. You could also add a smaller version over a console table for an elevated look. This Arhaus mirror is over $1,000, while the Walmart version at a smaller scale is under $500. Arhaus had this gold ornate mirror for $700, but Walmart has a version for $250. Number 7, textures and layers. Arhaus was full of ways that you could bring texture into your design for a luxe look. This could be done with pillows in different sizes, patterns, and materials, with ottomans like this velvet one for a pop of color and extra seating. You could also add a pair of jute ottomans under a console table for texture and dimension, or go with a hide poof for pattern and interest. This is another place that you can save money by doing a little research. For example, this Arhaus poof is $300, but you could get a similar one from Walmart for $53. Texture is found in everything from accent chairs like this one that looks and feels like your favorite teddy bear. It's in furniture like this reeded coffee table, which Walmart has a similar, more affordable version at a smaller scale. It's in your fabrics, artwork, rugs, decor, window treatments, and so much more. The secret to good design that looks luxurious is to layer different textures within a space. You want to mix and match soft textures like velvet with hard materials like marble or metal for contrast and depth. This will add richness and depth to your living room. Watch this video to learn about the different design styles or take the quiz in the description below for help finding yours. Now for a bonus tip. You want to add your personality to your design. Throughout this video, we have looked at Arhaus for ideas and inspiration. Now, while these spaces are beautiful, anyone shopping at Arhaus can just go in and say, I want this exact look. So if you do the same thing, your home is going to look like someone else's, and we don't want that. You'd be surprised at how many people walk into a store and do exactly that. What you want to do is take your time and do your research to create a design that's unique to you. Take these looks and layout ideas and then combine them with your own artwork, an antique piece of furniture, or a home goods find. Watch this video to learn how to spot designer brands when shopping at HomeGoods. There are so many ways to add your style and personality to your home, but there's only so much I could show you in this video. If you're looking for a more in-depth step-by-step guide to make your home look expensive and like you hired a designer, click the link in the description below. In my course, Designer Home 101, you'll learn everything from finding your style to adding the finishing touches that make a home feel complete. Watch this video to learn about the different design styles or take the quiz in the description below for help finding yours. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed these modern luxury living room design ideas and seeing all the high-end home decor dupes from Walmart. No matter your budget, there's always a way to make your home look expensive. Less is more when creating luxury design, so be intentional and choose high-quality pieces that you love. Remember, good design takes time, so don't rush the process. Links to everything shared, plus more, are saved to my LTK shop and Walmart storefront, which you can access by clicking the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and leave a comment below what you'd like to see next. For more design tips and inspiration, check out this video. Love you all so much and happy designing.